Hello there! Today I made BLACKJACK. Let's just head on into the program. First it asks me, do I want to play BLACKJACK? I said yes. It prints this art. It shows me my cards. A 9, 5, and I got a score of 14, and the dealer only got a score of 3. Do I want another card? Yes. If you know the rules of BLACKJACK, you want to be as close to 21 or get 21 as possible. If you reach over 21, you lose. And then you want to win against the dealer, which is the computer. I got 14. Yeah, it's kind of high chance for me to get closer to 21. I said yes. Ooh, I got an ace, which has a base value of 11. I got a score over 25. However, it's a lucky ace, so I can turn it back into a number 1 instead. So now my score is 15. Should I risk it again? I type yes. Sadly, I got a score over 21 and I lost. So let's play again. I got a score 16. I'm satisfied. I tap no. Oh, the dealer got an exact 21 and I lose. So this is the basic program. Let's look at my code here. Of course, import the logo. I import the random and I import the clear function. I decided to make one function called BLACKJACK. So first I'll start with making a list with the cards. So it's the ace, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, farmer, well, and the rest of them. Then I have my special list with just the aces. Then I have these very important ones. This is the first thing that happens. I add 2 random cards into my list. So the card shoe is a list here, which I add 2 random. So it can be a 2 and a 5, or a 2 and a 2 and or a 9 and an 8, and so on. And I also add 1 card to the computer. And here I print it out. It prints my cards and what the score are. And also print out the computers. We'll come back to this function later. First, this while function here asks me if I want to get more cards, if I want to increase my score. So first, so basically here, go to the else one. And I have some statements here that needs to be fulfilled for different outcomes. With the 2 first cards, I can't have over 21. It's not possible. However, I can have an instant 21 and I got a BLACKJACK. So that's an instant win. However, if I have under 21, I will always choose this option. It will ask me, do I want another card? And if I type yes, I will append 1 card to my list and show me my new score and what cards I got. And until I type yes and not go over 21, it will ask me this question again and again and again. However, if I get over 21, I have 2 options. Either I will lose, or if I got lucky and got the 11 card, the ace, it will now convert that card using this function here to 1. So this for loop. So for each number in the length of card stuff. So if I have 3 cards, we'll say 2, 3, and 11, and we go through each one of them. 1, 2, 3, and if one of them is the same as the card ace here. So if I say I have this order 11, 2, and 3. So with a for loop each one. So it will go through 11. Yes, 11 and 11 is the same. 2 and 11 is not. 3 and 11 is not. So here, 11, 11, 11, 11. Oh, it will actually go through each number here. I don't think I even need all these ones. Just do this. So here, we just check my little card hand. The first one, yes. The second one, no. The third one, no. So every time they are matching, I convert the same one into a number 1. So if they are matching, my hand with an ace converts to 1. So that's it. So this first function here is just if I want more cards, and if I get to over 21, I lose. Now, if I don't want more cards, when I type in the no, I append 1 card to my computer. And then I make a new while loop. Actually, I don't need this one here because I make it in the while loop. Here I have it. This while loop adds cards to the computer every time it has under the score of 17. That's the rules in blackjack. The dealer always adds cards if it has the score under 17. So the first one here is if it has under 17, I will append a card. If it has over 17 and under 22, the loop will end, and then it will continue. But if it gets over 21, then the ace converter function will come into fruition again. So if I have an ace, it will convert it into 1, 11th one. And if not, then the computer lost. And if I instead end up in here, it will continue to this part. And it's just a bunch of statements to see if I had a larger score or the computer had a larger score, and if it was a draw or not. Not more advanced than that. And then to make all this code play in a loop, and you can just play again and again and again. I just make a simple while loop with the question, do you want to play blackjack? And if I say yes, it clears the screen, prints the logo, and then it does the program, and it prints my return. And that's was today's challenge, and it took a couple hours, but it's really fun actually to use. So it was basically a challenge to use all the knowledge I've learned over the past 10 or 11 days. And my code is of course very different to teachers, or in some ways different to the teachers. My teacher instead had a lot of functions for everything. She had a function for dealing the cards. She had a function for calculating the score. She had a function to compare everything. She had a function to play the game. And then, yeah, that's it. So, like, it's kind of similar, just more functions. I don't know if I like it more or not. Something is just annoying, like this one, unnecessary, because I used to write it in this whole function is just this one or this one. So yeah, whatever floats some people's boats. But that was today's challenge, and now it's time to move on to more advanced stuff. I think it's starting to look at web pages and all that fun things. But yeah, thank you for listening. Have a good day and good luck.